Hello, myself Sagar Nigam, and he's my friend Anurag Singh. Today we are going to review the brand new Zolo series phone, which is Black 1X. So now we are going to review for you what the new 1X have for you. Okay, so now let's start with it. Anurag, go on.
So starting with build quality, it has glass on back, texture leather on top and bottom, and metal on sides. It has a very good design, which is quite impressive. Build quality is, I would say, very good. Now my friend will tell you about ROM, RAM, processor, etc.
If we talk about the processor, it's have the 64-bit MediaTek processor, which doesn't heat. Okay, but you know those smartphones nowadays, a little bit heat is genuine for smartphones. So it for the build quality, it's very nice. It's very good. 3 GB RAM. You cannot imagine a 3 GB RAM in 10K sub. Okay, so if we talk about the UI, Hive UI on it, which occupy only 348 MB RAM out of 3 GB. If you compare it with another custom ROMs, they occupy almost 800 MB out of the given the RAM. If we talk about the storage capacity, 25 GB available out of 32 GB for your use, and others are for the system use. If we talk about the camera is nice. The front camera is very crisp, but the rear camera I feel a little blur, but that's okay. Software updates will cover it. If we talk about uh, the response of the screen, it's very nice, very touch responsive, and the apps just in light fashion. You just click on the apps and they are open. And if we talk about the GPS, you cannot imagine. It just get the logged in few seconds. And if we talk about the speaker, you got the speaker on the bottom, which is very useful. If you put the phone on the table, your speakers will not get blocked. And if we talk about the I can say the apps, the games, they open in light fashion. If we talk about the Asphaltate, it opened in quick response. And the what I feel the most important is the Hive UI, which is like the marshmallow. Everything is in the the folder is sorted out in alphabetical fashion. You just have to sort the camera app. Okay, I am going to C. If you are searching for the browser, go to B. If you want to search WhatsApp, go to W. And the other features will tell about by my friend.
So the best thing about it is the Comet browser. It saves up to 90% of your data, and it also show you the measure how much you used. And I was almost close to stock UI, but it's not that material design, but it has some special features like here we have smart app drawer. You have just to shake and the app drawer will open. So all we have to say is black is beauty. Naivan friend.
It's a deal breaker for me. Why you would like to buy it? Can you share with our viewers?
For 10K, it is awesome. It has main key highlights is 3 GB RAM, processor, the screen, and Hive UI obviously.
For me, why I would like to, for the Hive UI, for the Zolo brand, and for the ultimate the lightness and the build quality we get in 10K sub. That's all from our side. Thank you for watching us. See you.